My other aunt. Hello, Charles. Hello, everybody. If you are new here on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, Charles. Via, what is that language? I can't understand. Via Cubo Catang Grande. What's that word mean? English, please. Yes, that's what the roaster said. English, please. We don't understand it. Roaster said English, please. We don't understand that word. Hit like, everyone. Hit the like, everybody. Like and subscribe as well, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh no, they play music. Hello, Charles, Brazil. Oh, you're from Brazil. Thumbs up lang. Hello, Jean. Merry Christmas po. Salamat. Tagasan po kayo. Warehouse work with Kim. Merry Christmas. Wow. It's been a long time. Warehouse work with Kim. I hope you are doing okay. Merry Christmas to you from Philippines. Oh, the roaster said also Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, warehouse work with Kim. Where have you been? Oh, Bulacan. I'm from there. I was born in Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Wow, what a... Hit the like, everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hit the like, please. Jingle all the way. Hello, Kim. Thank you so much, Kim. Merry Christmas. Hit the like, everyone. Thank you so much for joining here on my Christmas morning live stream.